3. Birds' nesting habits and care of their young. Hello students. There are many kinds of sizes of nests. Some can be as big and heavy as a car, like an old eagle's nest, while some can be as tiny as a thimble, like the nest of a bee hummingbird. Many birds glue their nests together with materials like spider webs, silk, mud, and even their own saliva spit. Most nest builders like to put soft things inside their nest. A bird nest is the spot in which a bird lays and incubates its eggs and raises its young ones. Once all the eggs are laid, the parents guard the nest. Soon, baby birds hatch out of the eggs. They are tiny and weak. The parents feed them and protect them from enemies. Once the baby birds grow big, they fly off with their parents. In this lesson, you will learn about the nesting habits of birds and care of their young ones.
3. Birds' nesting habits and care of their young. Most birds build nests to live in. The place where a bird lives with its young ones is called a nest. They build their nests in a safe place where enemies cannot reach and also to lay eggs. Activity. Take a walk in the school garden. Look out for different birds' nests. If you find a nest, do not touch or go near it. The parent bird may hurt you. See what they have been built of.
Different birds make nests in different ways and at different places. You can look for birds' nests on trees, broken walls, old buildings, ventilators, street lights, and even on the top of fans.
In India, birds build nests mostly in the months of February and March. Thus, the birds build their nests before the start of summer and rains. Birds build their nests with grass, feathers, twigs, paper, old clothes, rags, wool, mud, and leaves. They work very hard to build their nests. They fly again and again to collect the materials for their nests. We feel really happy to watch them carrying materials in their beaks to nesting places. They make the nest really warm and cozy for their young ones. Different types of nests. Different birds make different types of nests. Let us see how some birds make their nests comfortable for their babies. 1. Nest of a bulbul. Bulbul uses dry grass to build its nest in hedges and bushes. The nest is like a deep cup. This keeps the eggs and baby birds from falling down. Nest of a bulbul. 2. Nest of a tailor bird. Tailor birds build their nests by sewing 2 or 3 large leaves together. It uses its sharp beak like a needle to sew and join the leaves with bits of straw or thread. The nest is made cozy with a filling of cotton, wool, soft grass, etc. The nest swings gently in the breeze. Nest of a tailor bird. 3. Nest of a weaver bird. The weaver bird weaves its nest out of straw and thin leaves in and out very quickly. The nest hangs down from the branch of a tree, is strong and lasting. The entrance is from the lower end. Nest of a weaver bird. 4. Nest of a woodpecker. The woodpecker uses its sharp beak to peck the trunk of the tree and cut a hole. It keeps cutting deeper and deeper till it reaches a hollow in the tree. It uses this hole for its nest. The nest is made cozy and warm by lining it with fine chips of wood. Nest of a woodpecker. 5. Nests of partridge and duck. Partridge and duck make their nest in the ground. They dig hollow in the ground and land with straw and leaves. They make their nests at a place surrounded by bushes or tall grass, so that the nest is not easily seen. Nest of a duck. 6. Nest of a vulture. Vultures make big nests on tall trees with sticks. The nest of vulture looks like a shallow cup. Vulture's nest.
8. Nest of a penguin. Penguins do not work hard to make a nest. Simply, it collects stones and pebbles to make a nest on the ground.
Activity. Collect a few nests that has been left by birds. Display them in your classroom by putting the nest on dried branch. Care of young ones. As soon as the nest is ready, the mother bird lays the eggs in it. Both the father bird and mother bird sit on the eggs to keep them warm. The father bird also protects the nest and keeps enemies away. When the baby bird is fully grown, the eggshell breaks and the baby bird comes out of the eggshell. The baby birds are quite helpless. They do not have feathers. Their eyes are closed and they are too weak to fly. So the mother and father birds look after them. Egg. Egg cracking. Newly born baby crow. They feed them, keep them warm, protect them from enemies and bad weather. The mother bird takes the food in her own mouth, breaks it into small pieces and makes it soft and then passes it into the mouth of the baby bird. Once the baby birds grow up and have feathers, the parent birds teach them how to fly and find food for themselves. Without all this care, the baby birds would never grow up. They would die. Thus, the young ones are cared and protected by their parent birds till they learn to fly and gather their own food. Mother bird feeding baby birds. Let's revise the important points. 1. Most birds build their own nests. 2. Different birds make different types of nests. 3. Birds use grass, leaves, feathers, wool, mud, bits of cloth to build their nests. 4. Birds build nests to keep their eggs and their young ones safe. 5. The young ones of birds have no feathers and they cannot see. They need the care of their parents.